Hi everyone, today we are going to stay in Gatlinburg Inn. We get free parking, as you see. The resort is already decorated for the fall. Look how nice. So here at the entrance, they have this nice sitting area with a fireplace and rocking chair around. And as we go in to the lobby, you come across to the check-in area, and they have lots of sitting space area here. They also have table with chairs, as you see. The lobby here is so huge. They have a TV. And let me show you the other side. They have a second sitting area, as you see, with a nice TV to watch and relax. Look at this beautiful piano. Let's check out our room. Wow, as soon as we come in, we come across this beautiful round mirror. Wow, look at this sitting area here. And we have a trash can. Wow, okay. So we have 2 double beds, as you see. Wow, the bed feels comfortable. We have a desk with a TV, a little sit-down chair. Wow, and I like that dresser, so cute. I like that bear. I like that wall art. Let me see. It's a good space. This is the closet. They gave us an extra blanket. We have an iron board. We also have hangers, as you see. And if you see here, this is the bathtub. Well, this is the bathroom here. This is a shower head. Wow. The bathroom is large. Let me show you guys, look, from here. Let's see. That's the commode, trash can. That's the basin with the mirror. We have our towels, and we have our shampoo, lotion, and soap. As we walk ahead, we come across this other side, which we have another bed, a chair, another dresser with its mirror, a phone. We have a closet with its iron board, extra blankets, hangers. And we have that nice round mirror. We also have a nice stand, another chair. We have a microwave, a mini fridge, ice bucket with its cup, a TV, and we also have a coffee maker with its cups. Now this room is very spacious. Look at this. It's very spacious. And the thing is that we have conjoining rooms. So if you are a family of 4 or even 7, you could ask for this room. You see? Very nice. And check this out, guys. We have our own balcony. Now, isn't that nice? Look at this. We have that view of the lift. This is a very spacious balcony. Look at the rocking chairs. You could get up early in the morning, have your coffee here, or just stay here and relax in the night with this nice view. You can see the sky lift right there. That's awesome. And the pool, guys, I'm so sorry, but it's closed for the season. So we won't be enjoying the pool, but that's fine. We also have a washer and dryer, and they are $3. As you see, they accept credit cards. And they also have ice machine and vending machines. And you also get free cookies. You get coffee, tea, and hot chocolate. This is the breakfast area. This is all they have. Delicious and awesome breakfast. Good morning. They also have fruits. They also have cereal, oatmeal, muffin. They also have yogurt, milk, and chocolate milk. They have juices, or different type. Now this is the yummy breakfast. Home fries, eggs, biscuit, ham. They also have oatmeal. I only took this. And they also have a beef gravy, I think, but I didn't take it. Interior for this hotel may be dated. Let me tell you, it was well worth the price. Because this hotel is right next to the Gatlinburg Strip. You get free parking, which is great because all you have to do is park your car here, leave it here, and walk to the shops and all the restaurants. You get free hot breakfast in the morning. The breakfast is good and it's very tasty. And this hotel is historic. It's nothing fancy, but it's very clean. Our room was very clean. Our sheets, the water pressure, we had hot water, and we cannot complain. Our bed and pillows, they were very comfortable. This hotel goes for $135 up to, I guess, $200. It depends the season, the weekdays, you know, price ranges. We pay $150. So I guess that was a bang for our buck. And these people, they also have a pool, but the pool was closed. Being that it's September, it's cold, so it's going to be closed for the season until summertime get here again. After all, we had a wonderful time here. We had a great experience. We loved it that we could walk to Gatlinburg and go to the shop, to the restaurant. I mean, we had a great time. If this video was of any value for you, hit that subscribe button and be part of our adventure. Thank you for watching.